Hello to everyone. My topic today is about find the equation of the circle. We know that circle, we have this formula. X squared plus y squared equals r squared. Where your center is at origin. Okay? Now, if you have this one, the graph, this is y and this is x. Okay? This is the center. So, circle. Okay, so center will be at 0 and 0. Now, how about if in here? So, the center is at H and K. Okay? So, let us solve this problem. Find the equation of the circle with center. Center is given at -4 and -5. And tangent to the line. So, let us make a graph first. This is the Cartesian coordinates or rectangular coordinates. So this is y-axis and this is x-axis. So -4. So quadrant 1, quadrant 2, 3, and 4. So center point -4 and -5 at the third quadrant. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will be in here. So center is at -4 and -5. Okay, so we'll make this one as tabulation. So 2x plus 7y minus 10 is equals to 0. So 2x plus 7y is equal to 10. What I did in here is I just transpose the -10 to the right. So -10 becomes +10. Then I will make a tabulation between x and y. Okay. So when x is 0, y is 10/7. When y is 0, x is 5. Okay, so what is 10 divided by 7? It's 1, 7, 3, and 0, point. So how many 7 are there in 30? 4. That will be 28. Okay, so approximately 1.4. So 10/7 is equals to 1.4. So 0, 1.4. So this will be located at quadrant 1. So y is 7.4. 10/7 is 1.4. If this is 1, this is 2. So this is in here. Estimated 1.4. So this will be 0 and 10/7. Then the other one is 5 and 0. So first quadrant, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is not the line. Sorry, it's a line. A line is a straight line. It's not a crooked line. Okay. And then tangent. So this is 2x plus 7y minus 10 is equals to 0. Then 4, 5. So this is the center, right? So just a big circle, tangent. So a tangent. Okay, tangent. So we don't have the r, but we are giving the center. So -4. So we'll solve the equation of the line. Equation of the circle, sorry. So this is the line. So how to solve r? Because we need r in here. R is unknown. So we have the formula r equals absolute. This one, the line, 2x plus 7y minus 10. And this will be square root of a squared plus b squared. Okay? So we have now absolute. So we will use the center. So 2 times negative 4. Then plus 7 times negative 5. Then minus 10. Square root of coefficient of x, 2 squared. So take note, this 2 will be a. And then b is, coefficient of y is 7, sorry. This will be 7. So plus 7 squared. So this will be equal to absolute negative 8, negative 35, then negative 10. We know that absolute is to eliminate the negative sign. So this will be 4 plus 7 squared is 49. Then this will be negative 8, negative 35. 35 plus 18. So this will be 13. Carry 1. 53. So this is negative 53. Then this one is square root of 49 plus 4. That will be square root of 53. So I will erase this one. So I have now R is equal to negative 53 absolute over square root of 53. Now, this is absolute, meaning we have to eliminate the negative sign because there is an absolute. So this will be positive 53 over square root of 53. Since we have square root at the denominator, so we just multiply and rationalize the denominator. So square root of 53 over square root of 53. This will be 53 square root of 53. Then 53 times 53. So the same base, right? So copy the base. Then we know that square root of the value of square root, that will be 1/2. Then another square root plus 1/2. So 53, 1/2 plus 1, that is 1. So exactly 53. So this will be 53. Then cross out the numerator and denominator. So the radius is square root of 53. Okay? So take note, there is a line in here and then this will be tangent of this one. So the center, this is the unknown. Center is given. This is the line. Okay? So the question is, what is the equation of this circle? Okay, so the center is given negative 4, negative 5, and the radius is square root of 53. Okay? So formula will be x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equals to r squared. So x minus minus, that will be positive 4 squared, plus y minus minus, that will be plus 5 squared, is equal to square root of 53 squared. Okay? Then expand this one, x plus 4, then x plus 4, x times x, that will be x squared, plus 4x, then 4x, 4 times 4, that will be 16. So bring down x squared. Take note, 4x plus 4x, that will be positive 8x plus 16. How about this one? Y plus 5 times y plus 5. So y times y squared. Y times 5, that will be 5y. 5 times y, that will be 5y. Plus 5 times 5 is 25. So this will be y squared. Bring down. Plus 5y plus 5y, that will be 10y plus 25. So I have now x squared plus 8x plus 16 plus y squared plus 10y plus 25 is equal to, take note, square root of 53 times square root of 53. The same base. Copy the base and then add the exponent. That's 1/2 plus 1/2. So this will be equal to 53. So this is 53. This one is x squared plus y squared plus 8x plus 10y. Then add this one, 16. 25 plus 16. This is 11, carry 1, 41. So this will be plus 41. And then this one will be transposed to the left. This will be negative 53 is equal to 0. So this will be x squared plus y squared plus 8x plus 10y. 53 minus 41. 3 minus 1, that is 2. 5 minus 4 is 12. So this will be minus 12 is equal to 0. So the equation of a circle is x squared plus y squared plus 8x plus 10y minus 12 is equal to 0. So this is now the answer for the equation of a circle. That's all. Thanks for watching.